Oh my god.
What the fuck?
I was sleeping in the fucking chat.
That's me.
What the fuck? Somebody's gonna record this shit.
Right,
and Briar.
Ryu, make this your outro.
What the fuck?
I can send you
I'll
footage
actually
if you
make
need.
this like a clip of him sleeping.
Make this your intro.
I will legit send you the 60 FPS
There
footage
you
if
go,
you
see?
need it.
That's working.
There you go. Recording now.
The music.
Ba, 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 ba.
Alright, I'll pause the bot so you can record it.
There's no strange to know. You know the rules, so do I.
I put his volume
Never gonna hit those
200%.
notes. You're never gonna hit those notes. Yeah.
Never gonna get Snickers.
How do you fall asleep on the mic? Someone mic questioned it. Oh my god. I'm fucking done.
Luke, but every time he snores, it gets louder.
I will legit do that.
every time he snores.
Somebody should record this and send it to
I
Luke.
am.
I'm doing it too.
Oh, dude, you know
Nigga
that
fell
thing?
asleep in the
No.
chat.
You know that speech jammer that like records what you say and like replaces it? What if you have that? Like you record him snoring and then you replay it back louder, just a tiny bit after.
It'd be more like, see here.
That'd be the funniest thing.
It was like a fucking voice changer.
You should play Never Gonna Hit These Notes.
Never gonna hit these notes. Never.
I'm not a stranger around. You know the rules. So do I. So do I.
It's so fucking good.
Never gonna give you up, and never let you down. Never gonna run around and under you. Never gonna break you cry. Never gonna say goodbye. Never gonna say, oh Lord.
Anyway, wait, shit.
That was hot.
God. How'd you guys like that one? Would you guys nut to that?
Yes, for sure.
I don't know, man.
Hey, are you
I
down
don't
to
know.
experiment?
KMS.
No rules. So do I.
It never gets old.
Anyone know Farino?
Wait, he's still going.
It's like the most average snore ever.
So depressive.
Everyone just send him the video after.
Yeah, no, use it as blackmail. Use it as blackmail.
Put it in a video
Yo,
without
Luke, you might
telling
just
me.
get from command during a test. No, I'll send the video of you sleeping in the chat at 12 o'clock at night.
Alright.
I'm heating up a water bottle with friction from my hand. I'm so fucking high.
Oh, wow.
Maybe you should.
I swear to fucking god.
Endo, you
I love hockey. I love hockey.
Okay, I'm gonna
Say
record like
your
up to
name.
5 minutes, then I'm done.
Go say your name, ugly.
My name Jeff.
My name is Jeff.
My name.
How the fuck do you make a fake snore?
Because. I'm fucking dead, dude.
This is so depressing.
Who knew somebody sleeping on the mic? So fucking hilarious.
Watch him just stay there all night. I think he woke up. Oh, never mind.
Oh man, fucking tears right now. That's so much. It fucking made me laugh.
Can we play some music?
Yeah, sure. Resume the bot.
This is amazing.
Oh, it works, but he's in the bar. Wait, can you move him in?
I'll move him.
Yeah, we can move it.
Can you? Yeah, thank. Good.
So mundane too.
Is it gonna work? How do you do it?
It's just me. I don't know how I could do it. I could do a fucking snore so easily. I don't snore when I sleep though. That's what's fucking weird.
My name is Snore.
My name's Snore.
My name is Snore.
I'm gonna change his fucking nickname.
I can actually do the pink guy voice pretty well.
My name is Snore.
My name is Snore.
Somebody changed Luke's name.
I'll do it.
Mods can't change each other's name. Yeah, it has to be Rajan.
Okay, hold on, give me a second. I'm gonna hit the store like this.
Make it-
Wait.
My name is Snore.
My name is Snore.
There you go.
No, you just changed your name. You gotta change his name.
Oh shit! What the fuck?
Retard.
Make it so he's not allowed to change his name. Just kidding.
What the fuck? It doesn't work anymore.
No, just go over his name. Right click.
Oh,
Go change name.
Go change your name, Buggy.
My name is Snore.
No, you guys.
No, but you gotta put.
Hold on, let me pull up that.
I just melted plastic in my room and I'm fucking chill.
My name is Snore.
My name is Snore.
Level up.
Levels up.
Announcement. Oh my god.
I remember when everyone used to get so hyped about leveling up.
About what?
Leveling up.
Hmm.
There we go, get rid of my AIDS profile.
I'm melting
What's his
fudge
name?
in this
Is his
water
name
bottle.
Jake? Is his name Jake?
It's Luke.
Oh, Luke.
I'm melting holes in a plastic water bottle, so I'm gonna put it where the plastic water bottles are. So when my parents fill it up, they get fucking ass full of water.
There.
Pranked. Like the one really loud snore.
Snore. Joey's gonna wake up, dude.
Okay, I have burnt 4 holes in this water bottle, so next time that my parents pick it up and try to fill it up with water, you know what's gonna happen? Oh, come on. Okay. Yeah, I look at the
I can't take the fucking chat serious, dude. I'm snoring. I just can't. Snore.
My name is Snore.
My name is Snore.
I want to go through this recording and take out every single snore.
My name is Pussy.